You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting vocabulary from Spanish, or I think originally, I think it was an Aztec name, or maybe Nahuatl. Let me know in the comments. Cenote is how it's said locally in Mexico, in Mexican cenote. Okay, I know in English it's often referred to as cenote, but it'd be a bit more, closer to Spanish, or the local way of pronouncing it, cenotes. In Spanish, the plural would be cenotes. Yeah, the stress is on the no syllable. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.